Welcome. We all know that due to the lockdowns in the past few years, a lot of companies have adopted a hybrid working schedule, but it is also these and all the companies out there that struggle with conducting the training anywhere other than in person, right? But what if there was a simple 6-step plan that would help you develop a hybrid learning plan for your hybrid workforce? Interested in learning? If so, then let's go. Step 1. Create a learning plan that accommodates both remote and in-person work setups. Step 2. Combine real-time sessions with self-paced modules so that you can cater to diverse learners without disrupting their schedule. Step 3. Incorporate virtual collaboration tools and platforms during the training sessions. Step 4. Design materials that would be accessible to employees with disabilities or limited connectivity. Step 5. Use interactive elements, gamification, microlearning modules, and multimedia. Step 6. Offer ongoing support and resources to help employees navigate the environment. So do you now understand how you can easily create an effective hybrid training solution for your hybrid workforce? In case you do, make sure to try it out and see the results yourself. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching.